In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Hostinger. If you want to make future purchases faster and keep your billing information organized, adding a payment method to your Hostinger account is a simple thing to do. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one website or hosting plan. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the main layout. This will make the next steps easier to follow. After that, go to your profile section. This is usually where you can manage your account settings, personal information, and other account-related options. Click on your profile to open the available menu or account area. From there, look for the Billing section and click on it. The Billing area is where Hostinger keeps all payment-related settings, including invoices, subscriptions, and saved payment options. If you ever need to review charges or update how you pay, this is the place you'll come back to. Once you're in Billing, find the option labeled Payment Methods and click on it. This section is specifically for managing the ways you pay for your hosting services or other products inside your account. Next, click on Add Payment Method. This will open the screen where you can choose the type of payment option you want to save. Depending on what Hostinger supports in your region, you may see different choices available. Select the one you prefer to use. After choosing your preferred payment method, simply enter the necessary details in the required fields. Be sure to type everything carefully so there are no errors. It's always a good idea to double-check the information before saving, because even a small mistake can prevent the payment method from being added successfully. Once everything is entered correctly, complete the process by following the on-screen prompts. After that, your new payment method should be available in your Hostinger billing settings for future use. And that's it. That's how to add a payment method in Hostinger. It's a quick process, but keeping your billing details updated can save you time later and help avoid interruptions when it's time to renew a service.